All right, so Fernando, the way to do a quick, rapid cash injection into your credit repair business is simply just like this. Is you're gonna be able to, you're gonna have to contact everybody on your Facebook account, all your friends, all your family, anybody you know. You're gonna be like, hey, do you mind putting up a simple post about your credit repair business? All they're gonna do is put up a post showing a result, tagging your business on their post and just saying something good about it. Okay. And then just say, hey, they're gonna put on the post like, hey, this is my buddy Fernando is starting up their own credit repair business. These are the results he's getting. If anybody needs credit repair, I tagged him in this post. Just message him. Okay. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna contact everybody. You're gonna post on your Facebook profile. You're gonna have all your friends post on their Facebook profile. And if you get at least like 50 people to post on their Facebook group, I can almost guarantee you that you're gonna get at least 3 new clients just like that. That's an easy $300 that you're gonna be making every single month just by getting 50 people to post about your business on their Facebook feed or even on their Instagram stories or on their Facebook stories. Does that make sense?
Yeah, of course.